I would like to know from the government whether the state government is at all in a position to run this state. It appears they don't have machinery, they have no capacity to run this state, and therefore they should themselves do some rethinking. Except one Mr. Parrikar, it appears they don't have any person. Whole machinery has collapsed. State is in debt, high debt, and I appeal to the government to issue a white paper on their financial status today. There are so many issues pending. How they are going to solve the present mining crisis? But when you are not there at all, the mining minister not there at all, it is very, very difficult to run that department. Hundreds and thousands of workers are presently unemployed. Small traders are unemployed. Workers working on trucks, barges, they are unemployed. What are the solutions? What is your roadmap to solve this issue? Obviously, Chief Minister is not in a position. We sympathize with him. But he should not take an attitude which is not becoming of a good government. If he cannot do his duties, he should entrust a job to his other colleagues. If he doesn't do it, it means that he doesn't have faith in any of his MLAs or ministers. He has no confidence in his own colleagues, he has no confidence in his party, and he has no confidence in the allies.
माधयचेर खंय अमित शान गोय आणि पर्रीकाराकूय विकलो.
पहिली गोष्ट आमी जाणा की आता गोंयाक ताणें विकून उडयलें आनी पर्रीकाराक विकून उडयलो. दिस इज सबस्टन्स. गोंयाक आनी पर्रीकाराक अमित शान विकून दिलो. बिकॉज अमित शाह has said, if we get elected, we will solve this mother issue. That is in the interest of Karnataka. He is taking open side of Karnataka only. Whereas we do some sort of balance because we have got Goa at heart, also Karnataka at heart. Let the tribunal solve the issue.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी.